Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared this kale chaat. You've seen me in my previous video. I prepared this kale chips. So I'm going to follow the same steps and prepare the kale chips. So for the kale chips, we'll need kale leaves. Here I'm using curly kale. We need to wash this kale thoroughly, pat it dry, allow it to dry on a flat surface for some time, all that moisture to completely dry out. Then you separate the kale leaves from the stems and you discard the stems. While you're separating the kale leaves from the stems, tear it into bite-sized pieces. We need only the kale leaves, and once you have prepared this, add this to a mixing bowl. A detailed recipe blog post, all the ingredients used in this recipe, along with my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Tamil channel link will be in the description box below this video, friends. Or you can click the icon above this video, which will direct you to my blog. Now here you can see to the kale chips I've added olive oil, pepper powder, salt, and chili powder. We'll combine this and we will spread this kale leaves on a microwave safe plate, and we'll microwave this for 2 to 3 minutes depending on the microwave setting that you have. So every 1 minute interval you have to turn this kale leaves and you have to microwave it. This will completely turn crispy and it will be very nice. You can have it as it is, or you can prepare you can prepare the chaat as I am preparing it. You can add oil to this. If you completely want to avoid oil, you can completely avoid the oil. You can also prepare this in the air fryer and oven, friends. Now here you can see my kale chips are ready. Once the kale chips are ready, now I'll add it to a mixing bowl and we'll start preparing the chaat. I prepped all the ingredients required for the chaat here. We need to boil a potato and crumble it and reserve it. We also need chopped onion. So for this amount I used half a potato, half an onion. And we also need some chutneys. I've shown you all the chutneys earlier. Mint, tamarind, and garlic chutney. And we'll also require sev. So now on the kale chips I'm sprinkling the aloo and then the chopped onions, and on top of this I'll be adding the chutneys, the sev, peanuts. It's very nice and tasty. Do give this recipe a try, friends. Kale leaves are from the cabbage family and it's very good for people who are dieting or for everybody at home. This is something similar to the palak chaat I prepared earlier. Now I have sprinkled some chaat masala powder and chili powder on top before topping it with the peanuts and the sev, and I served my kale chips. It was very nice and tasty. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Do share this video with your friends and family. Try this recipe and post your comments, friends. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.